We were talking about your experience at the Vilnius Yiddish Institute. What impact did that trip have on sort of your understanding of Yiddish and your own identity?
It seemed much more important to me after that. It went from being something I saw as interesting and rewarding to, something I felt I had almost a moral duty to try and help along. I felt like I was, after going there and not trying to at least teach people about the language and the culture and the history, that I was somehow failing people. What was very important for me, growing up, like a lot of American Jews, the Holocaust had overshadowed everything. And we got plenty of Holocaust stuff on that trip. It got overwhelming at times. But we also got a lot about people's lives. Fania would give these tours, and talk about how she remembered the pretty pathetic Jewish zoo that was there, and when she was in fourth or fifth grades. And she really made it a living world for people. And I got the sense, and it's only grown with the years, that this constant obsession with the Holocaust, which wasn't only my own, but it was really a communal American Jewish obsession for understandable reasons, loses, with that process, you lose track of who these people were. And you not only lose track of who they were, you lose track of who the people before them were, and who the people before them were, and the people before them were. And you end up with about 4 years overshadowing 1,000 years of history. Knowing the language and having insight into the culture and having had opportunities to learn about it that people in a generation will not be able to have. I realized how important it was to do what I could to get people interested in it, to try and bring it back into the Jewish agenda, to make resources available for people to learn it, try and build a bit of a community around it.